Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about the secret to changing lanes like a pro. If you want to be a pro at changing lanes, if you want to get better at changing lanes, then this is the video for you, because I'm going to tell you about the absolute secret to changing lanes. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to start driving and I'm going to be telling you about it as I demonstrate it. Now, here's the secret, and you have to let me fully explain it before it really totally makes sense. The secret is actually developing lane changing confidence. Now, a lot of people mistake confidence. There's more to this. It goes really deep. A lot of people mistake confidence for saying like, hey, I'm the best because I say I'm the best. That's not, in my opinion, what confidence is. That's not true confidence. True confidence, okay? True confidence is when you say, I'm the best because I've worked hard to be the best. You know you're the best, or you know you're really good at something because you've worked for it. Now, that's what you need to do for changing lanes. Now let me explain something. If you can imagine that I'm changing lanes to the left, I check my mirrors, I check my blind spot, I'm not sure, so I check again. That makes me even more not sure. I start to experience a little bit of anxiety, so I check again. That's not gonna allow me to change lanes like a pro. It definitely will not allow me to change lanes like a pro. But if I practice over and over again, I'm gonna check my mirrors, my blind spot, and I'm gonna know I'm good to go. So I know I can proceed to change lanes. So to develop lane changing confidence, what you essentially need to do is you need to practice, and I'll tell you why. I'm gonna change lanes to the right about now, okay? So I'm gonna put my right signal on, check my rearview mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot. I know I'm good to go. Steer right, just like that. Smooth steering, speed control, change lanes like a pro, just like that. I'm not saying I'm the best lane changer on the planet, but I am saying that I've developed enough confidence so that I'm able to check my mirrors and my blind spot, and I know that there's no car there, okay? I can say with almost certainty that there's no car there. I have to change lanes to the right again, so just watch one more time, just like that, good to go. So I also have developed good speed control because of that confidence, and I've also steered smoothly because of that confidence. If you're not confident because you haven't practiced enough, okay, then watch, I'll give you another demonstration. So I've already shown that you'll double check and triple check your mirrors and your blind spots. This is just a turn right here, not a lane change, but I'll change lanes right now. But this is what happens if you don't have that lane changing confidence, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and signal, check my mirrors, my blind spot. I know there's no one there, but I'm not confident when I'm steering, so I really aggressively switch lanes. I'll do the same thing again, but without speed control over here. So I know there's no one there, but I'm slowing down as I'm switching lanes. I push my brakes, and that causes me to not change lanes like a pro. That was not a good lane change, okay? What it comes down to is essentially this. When you practice changing lanes over and over and over and over and over again, okay, you will develop lane changing confidence. So you will be able to check your mirrors and your blind spot and know with pretty much certainty, nothing's for sure in life, but you'll know pretty much that there's nobody, no car, nobody, nothing that is obstructing you from switching to that lane. You'll also be able to maintain your speed properly as you switch lanes. In addition, you're also going to be able to steer smoothly as you switch lanes. And that's what it comes down to. You know, if you practice over and over again, you will develop that lane changing confidence. You'll be able to do your safety checks quickly and easily, okay, and be confident about them. You'll also be able to steer smoothly and maintain your speed properly, or accelerate if you need to accelerate if you're passing a car, or brake if there's an emergency situation. Whatever the case is, you'll be able to control that speed and do whatever you need to do with that speed properly. What it comes down to is essentially this, okay? The more that you practice, the better that you're going to be at changing lanes. And what it comes down to when you change lanes is if you want to do it well, really, really well, quote unquote, like a pro. If you want to be a pro, then you need to practice over and over again to get that confidence. If you don't practice, you will never achieve that lane changing confidence, and you will never achieve that quote unquote pro status. You're always just going to be pretty good at changing lanes. You're never going to be like amazing. And if you want to be amazing at changing lanes, well, you got to develop that pro status by being confident and being a pro. okay? By practicing and being confident and being a pro. Sorry about that. My car rolled forward. It almost hit the curb, but we're all good. I had it reverse, but there's a hill, so it rolled forward a bit. Anyways, that's why I sort of was a little bit like, whoa, for that moment. Anyways, that is essentially the secret to changing lanes like a pro. Practicing until you develop that confidence. And that's it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.